Okay, so proceed tayo sa problem number 7. So for number 7, we need to solve this one. Number 7. X cubed. By the way, the problems were taken from the book, no, of Feliciano and Oy sa Differential and Integral Calculus. You can actually buy the book. I was able to buy the book sa National Bookstore dati nung college ako. And actually very effective siya para sa akin, no. Kaso nga lang yung exercises, naalala ko dati yung exercises kasi walang solution. Merong answers, mga odd numbers, but walang solution, which is why I'm doing this one. Baka kasi makatulong din sa mga students. Sige, so problem number 7 tayo. So, proceed tayo. Problem number 7. I think okay na to. Tama. Sige. So, again, the problem set or your exercise na to is for basic integration formulas. So, do not expect, no, na medyo mahirap yung mga problems. Actually, madali lang to. However, you might be tempted, no, na, uy, bakit parang medyo mahirap to, sir? Kasi, na, divide, no, x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2. Again, obviously, may tricky part dito para mas mapadali yung sagot mo, which is in this case, I hope it's obvious. Ito, you can actually write this one, itong x cubed minus 8. Okay, meron tong algebraic expressions, di ba? Okay, if naalala nyo, di ba meron tong ganito? A cube, minus b cube. Tama ba? And then, if i-expand natin to, ulit yan, our factor. Tama. Di ba? A cube minus b cube is actually equal to, this is actually, ba't ganito? So, supposedly, a cube minus b cube is actually equal to a minus b. Tama? A minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Parang ganyan, no? Tama. Which means, this is actually, kung mapapansin nyo, you can actually factor this one out, is actually equal to, sandali. Yan. This is actually equal to 2 cubed, which means a is equal to x, and then b is equal to 2. Okay? And then, you can actually now factor this one out. So, this will become, ganito na yan. That's a, and then multiplied by a squared, so that's x squared plus ab, that's 2x plus b squared, or 2 squared, that's 4. Okay, so I think, no, tama ba? Factor na natin. Tama. Okay, so I hope okay tayo, ha? You can actually factor out x cubed minus 8. You can actually factor out x cubed minus 8. However, I understand, no, na you do not have this software, or you do not have imposible naman siguro, no, na you do not have a clue na you can actually factor this one out kasi you are done with algebra, di ba? So, I hope naalala nyo pa. Marami itong mga algebraic expression na to na you can actually factor out. Naalala ko, meron din sa doon, yung bang x squared plus, a squared plus b squared, mga ganyan, or a plus b squared. So, again, please review your algebra. Sige. Notice, after factoring out this one, after natin na-factor to, notice, you can actually simplify this one by canceling x minus 2. Okay? So, your equation will now become, sorry. So, if ilalagay ko to dito, yan. Yan. So, your equation will now become, ito na lang. Okay? Which means, yan. Actually, the same lang po sa problem number 1 kanina. Tatlong terms, so you can actually solve the integral of each term, and then yung final answer will just actually be the sum of the individual integrals. Parang ganyan. Sige. So, integral of x squared, I think, alam na natin to, no? X squared will be itong equation 2. So, 2 plus 1 over yung exponent, which is itong 2 plus 1. Okay? And then plus 2x. So, this will become 2x. That's x to the power 1, di ba? Kasi x alone is x to the power 1. So, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Okay, yung exponent sa itaas. And then plus integral of a constant, simply multiply it with the variable of integration x. And then plus C. Huwag natin kalimutan yung plus C. Baka magalit si ma'am, no? Yan. After nyan, I think diretso na. Diba? Simplify na lang. So that this will become x cubed over 3. This will become 2x squared over 2, or just simply x squared, 4x plus C. So our answer will become, our answer is simply equal to, sorry. Simplify. I think ang pag-simplify, madali na lang. Okay. Sige. So, anyway, we have an answer key naman. Check na natin kung same ba. Tama, same lang. Sige. Okay. So, I think that's it, no? If you have any questions or clarifications, comment lang sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin. So, continue tayo for problem number 8.